Step 2 of the timeline project is to start populating this spreadsheet. Now, we're not going to populate every field in this step, but what we're going to do is the main fields so we can start building our timeline. It's important to know that you don't have to put these in order, so they could be jumbled around as much as you want. The only one that you need to make sure is in order is the first row, which is your title entry. So we're going to say here 2017, okay, and we're going to say September, which is the month of 9, and let's say the 1st of September, 01. We're not going to put a time in, and the end year, all right, is the end of this year. So 2018, month is July, and I think we finish around the 20th of July. So our display date is what we want to display on our timeline. So we can say 1st of September 2017 to 20th of July 2018. There's our display date. Now in our headline, what we want to put is the title. So Year 5 Learning for 2017 and 18. Okay, you could change that if you wanted to. Now in the text, what you can write is a sentence or two about some of the things you've learned. So I'll type something very quickly here. Okay, so there's my text. I put a paragraph in there. So we've got our introduction slide. Okay, that's all you need to do for the first slide. Then we start populating all our other rows. So then we start talking about specific pieces of work. So let's think about one of the projects that we did over the course of the year. Now, for this particular Year 5 group, we did the Mayans back in the autumn term. So let's put the date when we started this. Now we started it in 2017, and we started it I think in the October the 10th, and let's just put 01, and we finished it around Christmas time. So we can say 2017, and it was the month of 12, and we finished it around the 20th of December. You don't have to give exact dates, but something that's rough. If you know the exact dates, then fine. You might want to go into your books and have a look and see what the date of your piece of work is. Now, if you don't know the end date, then leave the end date blank. So let's say display date. This will be, let's say, autumn term 2017. And the headline is Coding a Game to Teach About the Mayan. Then we can give a description about the Mayans. So there's my second entry. And then you continue with all the different work that you've done over the year. There's one final thing we need to do in our first entry. If we scroll along now to the type, we just click on this drop down menu and we put title. That's all we need to do to make sure that the computer knows that this top entry is the title entry of our timeline. Now in the next step, we're going to look at how we can start adding media credits and captions, and we're also going to look at backgrounds. So how we can add a background to our timeline.
Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.